Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how I create a bubble ponytail. This look is beginner friendly, versatile, and gives the clean snatch vibe without too much effort. I will be walking you through each step from prepping the hair to molding the hair, adding the bundles, and give you a few of my favorite tips along the way. If you enjoy this video, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more salon looks. For starters, you will be viewing this from my point of view. I'm currently straightening her hair. One trick I like to use is I take my clip and I section the hair that way. And we're going to continue to press her hair. Once you're done pressing her hair, you're going to go ahead and section her hair into the desired parts for the style. And then you're going to comb the hair into the desired position. Now we're going to mold her hair. Cover her face and spray the hair. Then you're going to brush the hair. Next, you're going to blow dry the hair into place. You got to make sure that you hold it while you're molding. And you're going to continue to do this all the way around until you get the base of the ponytail molded into the shape or as sleek as you need it to be. Once that's done, you're going to go ahead and braid her hair down. Next, you're going to protect her natural hair. Then you're going to add the glue and you're going to add the bundle to what you just did. Then here, you're going to pull a piece from the back and you're going to wrap it around. This is very important. While you're wrapping it, make sure you spray it. Once that is done, you're going to start adding your rubber bands to form the bubbles. Once you get your bubble, you're going to go ahead and pull a piece of hair from the back, and you're going to wrap this at the bottom of every bubble. By this time, your ponytail should be looking something like this. She asked for 2 front pieces, so we're going to go ahead and curl those. And here's the final look of my ponytail. I hope you all enjoyed this ponytail from my point of view. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See y'all later. Bye.